Greetings of the day. I am Dr. Sangeeta Agrawal, gynecologist practicing in Prabhadevi, Mumbai. I have a lot of pregnant patients and they have a lot of questions about traveling during pregnancy. So today I will just address one section of that. Is it okay if I ride as a pillion on a bike during my pregnancy? Well, we will not get into whether you should take a bike or the public transport or a four-wheeler. Each one takes whatever mode of transport is available to that person, and many a times we don't have a choice. So, without getting into which method to choose, if you have to be a pillion rider, then what is the advice is what I will discuss. If you're a pillion rider, first important thing is that you should be very well hydrated, nourished. You should not be drowsy and unwell. When you sit as a pillion, you must follow all the traffic rules and you must wear your helmet. You should avoid wearing clothes such as we wear the dupatta in the Indian outfits, which can get locked up or entangled in the wheels of the bike. When you sit on the bike, it is much better to sit with your legs on both sides rather than sit with the legs together on one side of the bike. In the first and second trimester, it's all right, but in the third trimester, you should be exceptionally careful. It is important that whoever is driving the bike should avoid all the potholes, the bumpers, and take roads which are even. If you have to go over a speed breaker, then it is very important that the person driving the bike drives over them very carefully and slowly. It is also important to avoid all sharp turns and swirling the bike whilst turning. So, sit as a pillion rider, follow the traffic rules, wear a helmet, and ensure that whoever is driving the bike is extremely careful if the roads are uneven, and it is probably okay. There is a risk of falling and hurting yourself, and this risk becomes more and more as you get further and further into pregnancy. So take care and enjoy the ride.